Hey, good morning everybody. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're getting ready to the Miami Concours. We're starting to load up the cars. Easy Towing is here to help us out, and check us out. Very soon we're going to be there in Midtown. We're right now in the museum. We're going to be in the Design District in Miami, waiting for all of you and sharing this moment with you. This is a 560 SEC 4-cam Hammer engine. Hammer car, very rare car, certified by AMG.
What up, everybody? We're here. We made it to the Miami Concours. As you see, we got 3 cars unloading at the moment, so we're just getting ready. We'll find out when we're gonna put the cars and all that, wipe them down, get them ready. Just looking forward to seeing everybody pull up. You know, let's get it.
Patina boys, we're here on the streets of Miami like never before, putting these pre-mergers on the road for the people. People never seen these cars. People don't even know these cars exist. So here we go, man. Me and my dog Julio here. Bernard's here. Daniel's on the way. The whole team is here. Jay, what up? Let's go.
Let's get it.
Guys, we're here with the legendary Gene himself. You guys seen him in the showroom. You've seen us buy amazing wheels from him. He's been in the game for a long time. D&W, correct? Yeah, so this guy's the GOAT right here. How's the day today? You guys brought out some Brabuses and stuff? Yes, very cool. So, Gene, once again, always nice seeing this legend, Miami legend in the flesh right here. Let's go. Gene, tell us about this van right here.
This is a completely certified Brabus.
Yeah?
Completely done, interior, exterior,
Wow.
certifications.
A Vitro? What is it?
This is Metris.
Metris. It's a Metris.
Totally converted. This
Okay.
is American version.
Okay. American spec.
American spec was totally done.
Wow.
With the 2 captain, 2 extra seats here.
Wow.
Completed with the refrigerator and everything.
Oh my God. Incredible. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
My brother Abby. Abby drove this car last year at Amelia Island.
Yeah, he loved it.
We're the lucky guys. So he's back again. Hopefully going to be around this year once again to help out with everything. But shout out to Abby, man. Star People on IG. Check him out. We're here in Miami, the Design District at the Miami Concours. Brought out 3 gems straight from the museum. Daniel, how you feeling today?
Feels great. We're around brands like Mason Margiela. We have Alexander McQueen, amazing designers, Gucci, all these high-end brands. And so it's only fitting we bring out one of the most amazing representations of design and history. And those are 3 stunning AMG pre-merger cars by the greatest tuner ever, AMG.
We brought some cars straight from the museum floor. It's never been seen in Miami on these streets since the 1980s. Telling people about the museum, teaching them about the brand and about the era, the pre-merger era of AMG.
It's right where these cars belong, guys. We have cars from the same period from Ferrari, Porsche, Lamborghini, all around here at the Design District, at the Miami Concours here. So guys, you got to make this an event you come to every year for a car event. Miami Concours happens every February right here in the Design District, guys.
So let's check out these cars and let's see these people reacting to these rare AMGs from the 1980s.
Let's go.
So we're here at the Miami Concours. The reception has been amazing. People are loving the cars. They're loving the history. They're looking at all the little design elements that are different on the pre-merger AMGs. They're learning about the cars, and we're happy to be able to share this with everybody here. A lot of people today, great turnout, beautiful cars from all types of supercars, hypercars, and also classic supercars like the ones we brought today. I've been coming to the Miami Concours for 8 years, since the beginning, since the first time they did it with Curated. It's been growing. It's an amazing event. It brings a car culture to Miami, and it's needed, and it's a great event. Red carpet on the street. 3 streets in the center of Miami, in the center of the Magic City, full covered in red carpet for all these beautiful cars and the guests that are coming in today. It's a beautiful event, and we're glad to have you here.
A lot of people are showing love, they're enjoying it. A lot of love on the red car. Everybody loves red, so it stands out a lot. It's an amazing event, kinds of different cars. I've seen on the other side, they got Paganis, a whole row of them, which is pretty dope. So it's definitely a good experience out here, seeing things I ain't never seen, cars that you only really see once in a lifetime. They're all out here lined up, so it's a good event. Looking forward to meeting new people, seeing the love that we get out here, and just enjoying the vibes, man. It's a good time out here.
Guys, one of the specimens we brought out here today is this silver bullet. This is the SEC 560 6.0 AMG wide body, straight from AMG Germany, made in Alfalterbach in period. So guys, what we have here is probably the most iconic bodies of the era. Wide body flares on C126, and of course the 6-liter AMG Hammer engine. A real statement piece from Mercedes and AMG at the time, and of course one of the favorites of a lot of places we've been to. Ludacris represented this car, was really into it. It's a really popular example from our museum, and really, I think, is an iconic car of the era, the supercar of the era, the SEC 6.0 AMG wide body.
All right, guys, we're here in front of the 1989 300CE 3.2 straight out of Scotland, and this is made by, of course, AMG Stratton, the UK outfitter for the 1980s. And of course, this is our right-hand drive, fully done by Stratton UK. It has a 3.2-liter Baby Hammer M103 engine, and it's one of the most legendary cars in the collection. Of course, wide-body AMG. A legendary car, the C124. Nobody did it like the 124s in the 1990s, and of course AMG took it to the next level. So 1989 right here, check it out in the flesh at the Miami Concours, one of the greatest cars of all time. Guys, you already know we're here with the legend from Miami, ELO himself. You already know. How you been, brother?
I'm good, my friend. Listen, I'm not the legend. You guys are the legends.
Man.
You guys are keeping the Mercedes culture alive, and I love what you guys are doing.
Thank you so much, ELO. You already know, last time you guys seen ELO on the channel, he had his Koenig Special out in Pebble Beach. We were trailing him back then, and he brought it all the way from the UK, his right-hand drive Koenig that we love. And of course, we had to bring out a few special gems today. How you feel about seeing these cars out here for the first time at Miami?
I was ecstatic. I looked on my Instagram, and I'm like, the Patina collection's gonna be there, so I decided to make this trip. I've seen all the other cars. I'm a car guy. I've seen them all. Been them all, driven them all. But these cars are not just cars. They're the king cool of cars. That's what this car's at, the King Cool. Money don't buy it.
We've been going hard with the Koenig Specials for a while, but Elo's been doing it 20 years before us, and he still has his Koenig from 27, now 28 years, right?
28 years.
See how I know? I remember.
28 years in rocking the Koenig Special.
So as long as you've been alive, he's been driving Koenigs. That's how flexy he is. He's flexing on everybody, all right? So you already know, UK all the way to Miami, we're doing it big. Miami Concours with my brother Elo, man.
And this is, by the way, the coolest spot in the entire concours. Just so you guys to know. 3 of these special looking cars, money can't buy it. Cool, 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 cool only.
Patina boy, let's go.
Patina boys.
Look who we just ran into, our legendary friend Greg from Garage 90X. Good to see you, man. How you feeling?
Yeah, I love it. Good to see you guys too.
If you guys see him, he's doing, Patina boy things, like doing burnouts in the Koenig Specials. We see you.
He's a man. He's a man. Check out Greg. Greg's a guy, which we love about Greg. He's a collector, but also he brings the cars out, shows them to the people, and that's what it's about. You can't just hide things away. You got to enjoy it and show it off. And Greg is a true enthusiast and an inspiration for us, and we inspire each other. So it's a great relationship.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Yeah, and Greg has some amazing cars, some Gemballas, some great cars. If you guys seen on the channel, we found the Koenig Hammer episode where we go visit him and see all his cars. This was early on in the channel, so you guys might have to scroll down. But we see all his Koenig Specials, all his Benzes, and his BMWs, unfortunately, before we got to this point. But hey, guys, we're here. He's the man. He was doing it before us in Miami, but we're just here to add to the ecosystem. So thank you for everything you do in the culture, man.
So Greg, what do you think about seeing some pre-mergers out here today?
I love it. It's like the breath of a fresh air here.
Yes.
I walked in and I'm looking at those Ferraris, and I'm thinking I have to keep walking. I have to see the stuff that really makes me happy.
There you go.
And then I see the back of the W124 with the ductile. I'm like, oh man, I gotta go and check it out, because I wasn't sure who it was, right?
Well, there you go.
I see you. I'm like, okay, this is I'm home.
So we're glad to surprise him in this way. We haven't seen him in a while. It's beautiful to see him here. Last time we seen him was at the museum grand opening. He's always showing love. So thank you for everything you do in the culture once again. And shout out to everyone in Russia and everyone in Europe. Thank you.
Happy to be a part of it.
All right, guys, we're here with one of our good friends, Drew, from over at Atlas Motors. They do amazing restoration work on all types of cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and right now doing a really neat Benz for us. So Drew's out here at the Miami Concours checking out some of his work. And what do you think about the day today so far, Drew?
It's been amazing. It's been amazing. The people, the cars, the atmosphere, can't beat it, honestly. It's been great.
What do you think about seeing some pre-mergers out here?
Dude, it doesn't get better than this. It does not get better than this. I mean, look at that car. It's iconic. It's iconic. It's a showstopper.
So if you guys remember on the channel early on, we had Drew on the channel working on our Evo 2. That car is still being worked on. It's almost completed. They just have the interior left. So soon enough, it shall be back at the Patina Collective, and we'll do a deep dive on that fully restored Evo 2, hopefully. So thanks, Drew, for everything you do.
Looking forward to it.
So guys, if you're down here in South Florida, anywhere looking for someone that can restore really special, unique cars, Ferraris, classic Lamborghinis, any real classic European car, Benzes especially, he's a great resource, so check him out over at Atlas Motors. Drew is a good friend, and guys, definitely a Patina boy. Appreciate it.
Awesome.
And guys, of course, to wrap up our pre-merger AMG display of 3 certified pre-merger AMGs here, we have the 6.0 W124 Gen 2 Hammer, the most iconic chassis that Mercedes ever made. People are loving it. People bumping into us trying to check out the car. So really one of the icons of the era and an amazing specimen you're never going to see anywhere else but with the Patina Collective.
These cars are going crazy up in value every year. We're seeing new heights, and of course, it's driving the value on all AMGs in the market. And of course, is one of the legendary W124s from the era, one of the greatest cars. And we used to beat all these cars you see here, like Ferraris and Lamborghinis. This car was faster than these cars in the 1990s. So be sure to come see it on display at the Patina Collective Museum. It's on display right now. Buy your tickets and come see these certified pre-merger AMGs in the flesh.
Let's go. We run into our good friend here, Isaac from Miami Silkscreen. Now guys, if you need anything done apparel related, silkscreen, custom hats, custom shirts, he's the man. So check him out at Miami Silkscreen. And me and him have been working together for how long now? We've been working
It's
together.
got to been over 10 years now. We've been longer.
10, maybe 15
days.
years. So tell us about a little bit about what you do and how long you've been down here in Miami.
So we've been down in Miami for about 20 years now. We've been doing Miami Silkscreen for 15. We do basically just about every nightclub and restaurant, all their merch, all their branded merch. We started originally with Live and then grew the business through all the different hospitality groups down here. And then that's when we linked up with you guys in Wynwood a couple years ago.
Yeah.
And did Swagger. And now we're doing Patina Collective.
Yeah. So guys, when it comes to our merch, we're launching some new cool stuff this year. Vico's doing some great designs along with a team over at Miami Silkscreen. So check him out if you're a designer, you need someone to make your product. He's a great guy and a great source. And all in all, it's love down here in South Florida, and we got to work with guys like him. So man, appreciate it.
Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, man.
Thank you guys.
And if you guys have any Patina merch, you're already wearing his product, so you already know it's good quality. Every time I'm in Miami, I run into my brother, man. Brickle Joey, I'm gonna call him. I mean,
It's a blizzard in Chicago right now. I couldn't do it. Had to come out here.
pulling up from Brickle, all the way from Chi-Town. I mean, you see the pieces. You've seen these cars enough times already.
Yeah, I know. I've seen them. No, that's my favorite.
You already know. You see that the cross for the first year, right?
That's the one he tried to buy.
Yes, sir.
Nothing for sale.
You already know.
It's legendary.
What you want for that right there?
It's not for sale, my brother.
Everything for sale. Talk to me, just think about it.
Miami legend himself, Pete from RMC, Real Muscle Cars, Miami. How you feeling, brother?
I didn't know it was a legend, but I feel good.
You already know, man. Lots of legends here today, man. We're in the den of legends in Miami.
I appreciate that.
You know, Widebody cars. This guy was seeing these Koenig Specials and these AMGs back in 1980s. Crazy.
Before we saw him.
So we got stories for days. He's gonna be on the channel soon, telling you guys authentic stories from the era.
Hey, don't bring an AMG car unless you got mirrors and a straw inside.
Chichi, ¿qué te llevo? Está bien, Tony.
RMC Miami, Patina boys. Let's go.
No straws, no mirrors, don't come.
Let's go.
Van a dar la vuelta.
U-turn?
Estoy en esta calle.
Okay, good. I don't even know what the fuck he's saying. I don't speak Spanish. Patina boys, I mean, we back 2025 on the streets of Miami. Guys, we just left Miami Concours, driving the 3.2 baby Hammer right now, headed to the tow truck, about to load these puppies back up and take them straight back to the museum. But we had a great time, guys. Miami Concours 2025 was amazing. Thank you for everyone that showed up, and thank you for everyone that showed love, man. Appreciate y'all. Patina boys.
Patina Collective, man. Hey, shout out to y'all, man. Biggest Benz collection in the world.
Facts.
Biggest Benz
Love.
collection in the world.
Love.
Hey,
One love.
from Atlanta.
Yeah, Atlanta. Shout out Atlanta.